To be led by the LNP Vice President for External Affairs, the Honorable Marcos Mamay of the Municipality of Lunungan, Lanao del Norte.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise is due to Allah, the Lord of all in the universe, the most gracious, the most merciful, owner of the day of reckoning. You alone do we worship, and from you alone do we seek help. Guide us onto the straight path, the path of those whom you have blessed, not that of those upon whom is wrath, nor that of those who are astray. We gather here, invoking your blessings and guidance upon the proceedings of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines General Assembly. May our intentions be pure, and our actions guided by righteousness as we embark on this important endeavor. O Allah, bestow upon the members of this assembly the discernment to make decisions that serve the greater good, uplift our communities, and promote equitable development across our nation. Let justice and integrity guide our deliberations, ensuring that every decision reflects our commitment to fairness and compassion. In your mercy, O Allah, grant us the strength and resilience to overcome obstacles and setbacks that may arise in our pursuit of the common good. Bless our efforts with success and prosperity, and may our endeavors be a source of pride and benefit for all. As we conclude our invocation, we offer gratitude for the opportunity to convey and collaborate in your name. May your guidance continue to illuminate our path as we strive to fulfill our duties and responsibilities with excellence and dedication. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Please remain standing for the entrance of colors by the Philippine National Police Color Guards. Let us remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, to be led by Carmina Lourdes del Fierro Atienza. You may now take your seats.
school.